Hey guys, and welcome to my gym. So this is where I work out a couple times a week. I have a personal trainer that comes out here, which definitely makes it a lot easier and more motivating, but also having a gym this nice at home definitely helps as well. So this is our main machine. It's called the Monster G3 Force. I have no idea, I just use it. And then we have a punching bag that my husband likes to use. These are all my weights that I lift with. We have a balancing ball, that's really important, an elliptical, a treadmill, some balls I play with, and this is my mat for stretching or doing abs and things like that. I got mirrors all around because it's really important when you're working out to make sure that you have good form, and this way you know that you're doing the right thing. Being healthy is definitely an important part in my life, and working out is definitely a big part of being healthy. So I knew I wanted a gym at home. My dad always had one and he always encouraged me to work out, and even though I didn't do it as much when I was younger, I started to definitely when I started getting older. So I'm very happy with this project. It was definitely a work in progress like the rest of the house, and I love it here. It definitely motivates me to come here, use it since we built it. And sometimes after doing the gym, I go into the sauna to relax my muscles and feel good. So come follow me and let me show you that part. So here is my sauna, and today I actually have Leo and Anton here with me. They're the ones that built the sauna and made this beautiful room come to life. Now, Leo, please tell us a little bit about all of these custom-made items.
Firstly, all this wood is maple wood that was been dried in the kiln for about 2 years at least, if not more. And all this is from different parts of a tree that was cut down somewhere in upstate New York. This one was actually in some wilderness they found that was completely burnt down. The whole forest burnt down, and they salvaged this tree, and now we brought it back to life. So what we did was we poured the epoxy, we made a mold, we poured the epoxy, let that set, then we coated it with a Rubio Monaco, which is a very durable finish, and hence now you have a beautiful table. These benches, at first we burnt it. RO-MiNA didn't like it, she wanted a little bit more darker. Therefore we took everything off, we burnt it even more, sanded it all down, sealed it, and now you have the beautiful set.
Is that what happened?
Exactly what happened.
I asked for him to be darker?
I want it to be darker.
I don't even remember that.
Yeah.
But I do remember that I chose this color because we wanted to add some kind of fun color into the epoxy, and Leo gave me a few of these metallic colors, and I thought red would look cool with all the wood.
Yeah,
and then tell them about this beautiful custom wall.
So just like we used inside the sauna, we decided to do a beautiful accent wall in a herringbone pattern. So it's definitely a piece of work, but I think it just brings a lot of warmth to the room and just ties it all together and feels good with the table and the benches, and just came out totally beautiful with all the stone and the wood.
I wanted a seating area, so when you come, you can't be in the sauna the whole time. When you're going to the sauna, you're kind of in and out when you're hanging out with your friends. So this would be the area where you kind of sit, maybe drink a beer, have a snack, and then you can go back into the sauna and come back out. And I wanted this room to feel different from the rest of the house. So if you guys remember my house, it is completely different style. It's so modern and dramatic. And then this room is very, I don't know, gives me like Tuscan vacation vibes, which is what I wanted when I come in here. I wanted to feel like I'm on vacation. So that's why we added this beautiful tan color stone. This beautiful furniture that Leo and Anton helped me make, or they made, and I just kind of guided them. I didn't even design that. I'm not gonna take credit. And even the wall, I'm gonna give them the credit because honestly, they're the ones that gave me those ideas, and I love them and went with it. And then this is the interior part of the sauna. So this is where I would sit and get hot. It's not on right now. Usually you take a towel, you sit on the towel like so, and then you just relax and sweat out all of the negativity. All right, let's go into one more section over here. So this is the bathroom in here. We actually have a steam shower because it's kind of cool to go from the dry sauna into the wet steam room. So it's kind of 2-in-1 steam shower. Also, like I said, I wanted that Tuscan vibe. So we have this travertine tile in here and this really cool metallic aged tile with like a pattern in it. I feel like that also gives it that Tuscan vibe. And then this is a really cool wooden mirror that I found at Home Goods. So great buy. These lights are from Amazon, and this vanity kind of has a cool story. We found this at home, that one store I talk about all the time. So this was actually a dresser, and we decided to make it into a vanity. So I found this really cool stone sink, and we just cut out a hole in the dresser, and voila, it is now a custom vanity. And we found this really cool faucet to match, and then in the shower we have that stone floor.
We enjoy working on RO-MiNA's house, making this beautiful castle come true. And Next Level Builders focuses on high-end carpentry work, building cool, unique things that not many people see. So give us a holler.
They're the ones that did all my ceilings. They basically did the whole house, all the LED work. They definitely helped
Movie
with
theater.
the entire house. Yeah, the movie theater, which you guys will see on the next episode, hopefully. And obviously the sauna in here. So if you guys need any cool custom home work, contact me and I'll contact them.
Exactly, we'll work together.
Thank you guys for watching my gym and sauna episode. Until next time, love you. Mwah.